in my last time, so
it's pretty awesome.
this one will do.
Let's get those questions.
Okay.
You're good.
Shoot. What do you got?
So, can I ask now?
Yep.
Enjoy! Last week, I shared about editing videos with my mentor, Lance. Now this is me interviewing him. Might as well, right? So you talk about what he does.
Sure.
Okay.
That's cool.
So, what do you do except videography?
Do tax and real estate law, and I run the collective access. So besides that, I run a whole nonprofit and make sure all kids have somebody they could go meet, is it in school, is it their parents, with somebody that could say, hey, try this stuff. Kind of like me, me and you, we do video editing, right? We got that in common. So I can teach you things, and then I connect hundreds of kids to people just like me. Make kids sit down and meet other people and give them advice. So if you ever needed help figuring out something, I'll be like, do this, try this. And then in my day job, I'm a boring tax real estate lawyer, and I just do a lot of paperwork, and it's not fun.
So you only like not the day? Your fun days are not the day?
No, I'm lying. I'm crying, but I love my job because I own my own company. So that's my favorite thing. I if I don't want to go to work, I won't go to work. Who's going to write me up? Me? I can't get myself a pink slip. I can, but I don't.
What's your favorite part of your videography?
My favorite part about videographing is watching what other people are doing when they don't think they're being recorded. They're just funny, and they're natural, and they're not weird. Well, they actually are weird, but that's the fun part. So I like seeing people they don't think anyone's looking, and you get to, see them not being weird.
So they're just walking and you just take a picture?
Yeah, I'm just like, I just walk off, mad weird. Snap.
That's weird.
So, yeah, it's an issue, but yeah, it's my favorite part.
What's the hardest part?
Video editing? When I choose a video and I choose a song, making the video align with the song. It has to be in rhythm, and it's really hard. Like when I ask you, should we make it go fast here? Should we make it go slow? Making sure it doesn't look crazy. Rhythm, that's the hardest part.
I don't really like, staying stabilized.
Yeah, me neither. I like movement. Me too. High five. Give me some. Like you're just sitting there and you're just I like movement and taking the land.
Go move, baby.
Do something, right?
But it'll get people dizzy.
Often the case.
Yeah, that's the case. The case that will never solve.
They will never be solved, but we'll keep working at it.
Yeah.
What else you got?
Good.
Those are good questions. All right, let me ask you some questions. What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is this, and then perform it.
Ooh. So I got to come all the way to Hawaii to see your performances? You know that's far, right? Just saying. A little heads up. A little heads up.
My favorites are Annie and...
Love Annie.
You know Annie?
Little Orphan Annie.
Yeah.
Of course I know Annie. I'm super smart, by the way. I don't know if I told you that. I don't want to toot my own horn.
Shrek the musical.
Time out.
Huh?
You've been in Shrek? You don't think that's something I should know? I'm a super Shrek fan. Fiona?
Yeah.
Fiona?
No. I was not.
You don't... Yeah,
I'm the
but...
dragon.
You were the dragon. You don't think that's 10 times better? You don't think I want to know that? That's like a big deal to me. I'm a big Shrek fan. Shrek, Incredibles, The Lion King. What was it? Moana? Moana?
I think it's
Samoan.
Samoan, yeah.
Okay, I messed that up, but yeah, I'm a big Disney fan. So.
Did you know in the actor, the one who plays that big guy, the god?
Shrek?
Not in Shrek.
Moana? The Rock?
Not the Rock. The one that's really big and has long hair.
Yeah,
It's The Rock.
Yeah, the voice of
Dwayne Johnson.
Yeah.
Yeah, he gotta use his like real government name. I call him The Rock. And they're like, you can't handle. Never mind. It's old WWE stuff.
No, yeah.
Yeah, sorry about
So that character is actually like based on his grandfather.
that. Yeah? That's pretty awesome though, because that was like my favorite character. They could change it to birds. Come on.
Or half shark.
You guys, give me notice before you're leaving. I'd love to see you guys.
Follow us on Facebook or Sloth Chef Faehr Eve on Instagram.